up, free range humans? We're out here today with Adventures by the Sea, and we're starting today's warm up with shoulder cars. Turning your palm forward, reaching as high up as you can. Try not to let the spine tip as you rotate your arm through its full range of motion, lifting up in the back, keeping the elbow straight, rolling all the way through. Then on the other side, let's go through that twice. We'll probably go through it 4 times on each shoulder, but for today's purposes, I'll just show you 2. Now we're moving on to scapular cars. So I'm going to turn around and show you what my shoulder blades are doing. Next, we'll go into full shoulder blade and row motion and opening up the T-spine with a rotation and a little press. So, making sure you get the full scapular movement with a nice solid row. Rotation, press up. Rotation. This will help you move from your upper back rather than your low back during a row. And the last will be overhead mobility. Coming into child's pose first, then we'll isolate the overhead. That's it.